Many of you would be wondering how banks calculate interest rates. Our industry expert, Mr. Hariharan, is with us today to share his insights.
So the bank calculates your interest on a daily basis on the minimum daily balance. So for example, let's assume that in the morning you had 50,000 rupees in your account and you gave a check or withdrew 30,000 rupees from the account. So at the end of the day, your account balance was 20,000 rupees. They will pay on the least amount, which is 20,000 rupees. So that interest of 2.5 or 3 or 3.5, whatever it is calculated on a daily basis on the least or the minimum of the balance. Okay. And then it is paid out maybe quarterly or half yearly.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.